Hey guys, welcome back to Synthetic Oil Protection. My name is Eben. If you guys are interested in exponentially protecting your vehicle 2 to 4 times better than using original equipment fluids, definitely consider subscribing. Subscribe button right here, and then you go ahead and tap the notification bell. And that way you'll get new notifications when my new video comes up. So today we're doing a little review on the Mudslinger, and what Mudslinger is it's a proprietary protectant, and it actually goes inside your wheel well. You spray it inside, and basically what it does is it keeps a little coating on it. And when you go on your ATVs, your UTVs, your dirt bikes, motorcycles, a car, truck, anything, basically when you spray it out, the oil, the grit, the mud, the snow, clay, if you're doing rock crawling, all that stuff sprays out really easy when you go to clean up your wheel well. So this is my first time trying it. I've heard some incredible stuff about this product. I've heard it, but now it's time to see if it's real. So in Vegas, right in here, you get a lot of tar, all kinds of sticky stuff, gum, because it's very hot out here, and it sticks, and this is actually clear coat right here. So I'm going to actually clean all this with Simple Green. I use Simple Green because it's biodegradable, it's pet friendly, it doesn't hurt the environment. So I'm going to degrease all this, and then we're going to come back, I'm going to spray it, and I'll show you what it looks like. And then we'll do a follow-up video in a few months once I really see what it feels like and how easy it is to clean this. All right, let's kick it off. Got a wet towel, and I also have Simple Green. I have this diluted 5-to-1, so you don't need straight Simple Green, it's really strong. I usually dilute it about half to 5-to-1. So I'm going to go right on ahead and just spray down the whole interior. The whole entire wheel well. You don't spray degreaser on your brakes, and don't spray the Mudslinger on your brakes. Only in the wheel well. And all this chin skirt stuff. Now I'm going to go ahead and wipe it all down. So you want to be very careful on any clear coat. You can scratch it right now. It's very vulnerable. So be very light when you're wiping the actual clear coat. Watch for rocks and stuff. So now I wiped it once. Now I'm going to spray it again for the second time and wipe it again. And now I'm going to use a little cleaner cloth, little microfiber towel. We got it all dried out. It's pretty much dry. It's definitely not perfect, you know. I'm just going to hit it up a little bit. Just doing some finishing touches. And that's pretty much it. Now that it's all nice and dry, now all we do, take our Mudslinger, we shake it really good, and then you spray it very thorough, and then after that, you let it dry for 15 minutes, and then if you want to, after 15 minutes, you can wipe it down so dust doesn't stick to it. But if you want the extra protection, you let it on wet. So I'm going to leave mine on nice and wet. As you guys know, the wetter the better. Do this in a ventilated area. I have my garage door open right now, and don't breathe in the chemicals directly. This actually smells good. It smells like cherry, but definitely be careful with that. I'm going to go ahead and put my wheel on, but before I do, I'm going to put on MP Metal Protector. And what this is this is a lubricant spray, and it drives out moisture from bolts, and it also keeps your metal from rusting, and it also keeps it very lubricated. So I hit all my threads like this, and then hitting the little part that rusts, and that's it. That's all. Another thing I like about MP is when you have all the spray on here, it really slides on easy. Just with that extra metal protector, slides on super easy. And then the other thing is once it's on, it's super easy to thread it. So the threads go like butter. Boom, 1. Boom, 2. I mean, 3. Just super smooth. And so not only is the metal protectant great at actually protecting the metal, but it makes your job so much easier on hinges, anything. I mean, I'm going to show you how far in these are in a second. So that's, see how easy that is to move that? Watch this. Watch this. Here, here, and there. Watch. Look at that. It's that tight already. The threads just go on that smooth. So that's why I love the metal protectant. All right? Hey, thanks guys for checking out my YouTube channel. If you guys are new to the channel, definitely consider subscribing. You can click on this little icon right here, and it's actually free to subscribe. And also, if you click the little notification bell, you'll also get notifications when my new videos come up in your YouTube feed. And as always, if you really enjoyed this video, if you can give it a thumbs up, that helps out as well. And on all the Amsoil products, I'm going to leave a link in the description and a link in the comment section. And that'll be to the lookup locator, and you can actually look up all the products for your vehicle, and even this product as well, the Mudslinger. So if you have any questions at all, feel free to reach out to me. And the best way to buy these products is as a preferred customer. So after you look up your vehicle, when you go to check out, you'll be able to upgrade to a preferred customer where you get 25% off, free shipping on any order $100 or more, and then you also get your Amsoil quarterly magazine. All right, hope this helped out. Would love to hear some feedback on any 4x4s that have been using this. I've already got some good stuff, but let's hear some more. All right, thanks guys. We'll see you guys back in synthetic oil protection. Thanks.